AI agents are AI systems that can perform work in the background whilst you wait. So this is in contrast to AI assistants or co-pilots where you have to be there every step of the way to give it the next prompt, to approve things. On the other hand, agents can do work without you. They can do long running work which might take multiple steps, might use multiple tools on the way, might summarize a final response. But at the end of the day, you get back a response. They might work for 20 minutes, or in the future, we might see them work for even longer as they're getting done meaningful work without you having to be there. The ideal end goal for AI agents is that they can be a drop-in remote worker that you can interact with like a coworker. Some examples of AI agents might be OpenAI's Deep Research, which helps you do online research. It checks a number of different websites, it figures out what it should search up next, and then eventually summarizes that into a report for you. So that's doing a significant amount of work without you having to be there. Again, multi-turn, long context work. Another example would be something like OpenAI Codex. This is OpenAI's coding agent. It can write software for you from just a prompt. Might take an hour to do so, and then it comes back to you with updated code which it wants to merge into your code base. And these are two places where we see agents are really working. It's far easier to have an AI agent do the research for you than do it yourself. It's far easier to get some boilerplate basic software written by an AI agent rather than type out each key yourself. But there are a lot of agents which are a lot of hype. Companies claim that they have 10 different agents which are good at the 10 different things you need to run your entire business. And this I just haven't seen work in practice. I think this is companies capitalizing on the fact that the term agents is such a hype right now that they think they can build a whole company around the everything agent that does the entire process for you. The trouble is we're not yet at a stage where AI is super intelligent or even generally intelligent that it's better than a human across every domain. We'll look at this in more detail later, but we're not quite there having just one agent which can do everything. But there are some agents built by startups which are super focused that work really well in that domain. They don't need to be the everything agent, but we have agents already that can plug in to solve your problems in things like coding, research, compliance, onboarding new employees, or legal. And a lot of these agents are getting to the point where they can realistically do significant chunks of work completely independently, only surfacing edge cases to human employees when it's needed. And these specialized agents are better than the general agent because the company focused on that problem has done three things. They've probably fine-tuned the model so it's better at understanding jargon and concepts in that domain. They've importantly defined expert workflows, which these agents can follow. So they know from probably their years of experience of humans doing this task, exactly how the task should be done. And finally, by providing a better user interface for a human to use to interact with this when they need, and integrating with all of the right products and apps out of the box. The work that AI agents can do is real, and it's gonna get more and more. So these things are gonna get more capable. It's not gonna be the year of AI agents, but it is gonna be the decade of AI agents where we see these systems replace lots of human work from end to end. So don't believe that AI agents can replace your entire team. Don't believe that there's an agent out there for every single use case you need, but do believe that you can probably get some productivity out of using agents in the areas where they've been specialized.